In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make pencil table in Miro. This is a simple way to create a clean table layout that still has a hand-drawn pencil-style look. You will draw the grid with the pen tool, then group it so it behaves like one object on your board. Start by going to the left toolbar in Miro and selecting the pen tool. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press the P key to switch to the pen quickly. The pen tool is great for freeform drawing, and it is ideal for making a quick custom grid without needing a formal table widget. Now draw your grid. Begin with the horizontal lines, drawing each row line from left to right. Then add the vertical lines for the columns. As you draw, focus on keeping your spacing consistent so the cells look even. A very helpful tip here is to hold the Shift key while you draw. Holding Shift makes the line snap into a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical direction, which keeps your grid neat and prevents slightly angled lines that can make the table look messy. If a line does not land exactly where you want it, take a moment to redraw it before moving on, since a clean base grid will be easier to use later. Once you have all your horizontal and vertical lines in place and your grid looks the way you want, switch to the lasso tool. You can find it under the select icon in the toolbar, or you can press the L key as a shortcut. The lasso tool lets you select several drawn strokes at once, which is important because your table is made up of many separate lines. With the lasso tool active, click and drag around the entire grid so that every line you drew is selected. Make sure you include the full table area so you do not leave out a line by accident. If you miss something, simply lasso again to reselect all the lines. Finally, group the selection so the pencil table becomes a single object. Click the group icon in the context menu or use the shortcut Command+G on Mac or Control+G on Windows. Grouping makes it much easier to move, resize, or duplicate the table without the lines separating. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.